Let me show you how to convert your PDF documents to images. So log on to this website. I'll leave a link to the website in the description box. Then you come to where you have convert PDF. Now you go to where you have PDF to JPEG. Next up, you're going to upload your PDF files. Okay, so you have a couple of options on your right, but I think I'm just going to leave them on the default setting. You can change the image quality to normal or high, and then you come down to where you have convert to JPEG. So as you can see, the conversion is processing. So once the conversion process is done, you're going to see this window asking you to download your JPEG images. So I'm going to click this to download my images, and then I click start download rather. Alright, so these are the files we just just converted, and as you can see, they are all in JPEG format. So I'm going to confirm that. I'm going to right click and then go into properties. So as you can see here, the extension says .jpg. Now the name of the website is ilovepdf.com. So if you found this video useful, please give this video a like. If you've got questions, leave them in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.